Hey there, welcome to my channel where we talk about all things personal finance, making money, investing, budgeting and saving money. Today, we're going to talk about 9 methods for saving money on monthly bills. Even if you can't avoid monthly bills, you can find ways to save money. 1. Switch to a fee-free banking account. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, overdraft fees can cost an average of $360 per year. It is best to avoid this by switching to a fee-free bank account. 2. Save money on your student loan debt. According to the U.S. Department of Education, 43 million Americans owe nearly $1.5 trillion in student loans. Try refinancing your federal and private loans with a lower interest rate to save money and potentially pay it off faster. This is possible through the online marketplace Credible, and it has saved some people more than $18,000 in interest over the life of their loan. 3. Get a lower interest rate on your credit card debt. AM1 is a website that connects people in credit card debt with low-interest loans. If they owe $50,000 or less to their credit card companies, AM1 will match them with a low-interest loan to pay off all of their balances. They will have only one bill to pay each month, and because personal loans have lower interest rates, they will be able to get out of debt much faster. AM1 keeps their information private and secure, and it only takes 2 minutes to find out if they are eligible for up to $50,000 online. They will not call you repeatedly. 4. Cut the cord, or at least the price. Trim is a negotiation bot that will lower your cable or internet bills on your behalf. It collaborates with Comcast, Time Warner, Charter, and other major service providers. You can sign up using your Facebook account or an email address, and then upload a PDF of your most recent bill. Trim's AI-powered system will negotiate until it can save you money, and it will handle any outages for you. Trim keeps 33% of the savings and you keep the rest. 5. Cancel those sneaky subscriptions. Rocket Money is an app that can assist you in tracking and managing recurring charges for products and services you've chosen. It makes it easier to manage and cancel these charges by providing a simple way to view, manage, and cancel them. 6. Switch cell phone providers. Twigbee is a company that uses Verizon's network, demonstrating the dependability of the Big 4 cell phone carriers. 7. Find a lower car insurance rate. EverQuote is the largest online insurance marketplace in the United States, offering the best options from over 175 different carriers. Users must answer questions about themselves and their driving record in order to get the best deal. EverQuote users can save up to $610 per year in just a few minutes. 8. Perform a home energy audit. An energy audit is an in-home assessment designed to assist in making a home as energy efficient as possible. Energy costs $5,550 per year for the average American household, and energy-efficient appliances, home improvements, and actions can save hundreds of dollars. Some utility companies provide the service for free, but may attempt to upsell additional products and services. 9. Hunt down energy suckers. According to Duke Energy, energy suckers can account for up to 20% of a monthly electric bill. Unplug these devices when not in use and invest in power strips to plug everything into one strip and flip one switch when finished to identify them. This will save you both time and money. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips and advice. See you in the next video.